Hello, in front of me I have Samsung S25, and in this video I'm going to show you how to set up an alarm clock. Okay, it is really easy, so simply open up your clock app. Once we are here, simply type on that plus button, and now make sure that you are also in the alarm right in here. Now tap on the plus button. If you want to select anything right in here, the alarm clock will be simply saved on tomorrow. So as you can see, tomorrow, Sunday, 1st of June. But if you click on those dates of the week, you can select on which days you want this alarm to be enabled. So currently it's on the everyday. In here you can set the name. Below you can select the alarm sound, also the vibration and the snooze. Of course you can adjust all of those settings by simply clicking on them. And here you have a list of vibration sounds, and in here the alarm sounds. Okay, and now simply click on save, and now as you can see our alarm has been successfully saved. Alright, that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.